MSRNDA 2000 here, and today is Wednesday, August 18th, 2021 at 6:58 p.m. Central Daylight Time. And this will be the 7 p.m. required weekly test on WXK85. So, radios are set up to go off. ER50, 12519, CKW 2000, regular version 5 WR300, version 5 deluxe WR300, older version 5 and newer version 5 WR100, 12250, ER10, 12247A, and the WR400. The HH54 is having issues, so it won't be going off. I'll show you what issues it's having once the test is conducted.
Mostly sunny. Highs in the mid-90s. This is your weather radio station WXK85 in Oklahoma City, operating on a frequency of 162.40 megahertz. Programming originates from the National Weather Service Forecast Office in Norman, Oklahoma. You are listening to Oklahoma City Weather Radio, and here are 6 p.m. weather observations. In Oklahoma City, it was partly sunny. The temperature was 83 degrees, with dew point 70, and the relative humidity 64%. The wind was south at 10.